Hi friends. Prefix to postfix. Let us start the program. Hash include stdafx.h, that is a standard input output function. It is an header file. And hash include IO stream. It is also one of the input output function. Next we will consider the hash include string, that should be we used the header file. We can conversion of prefix to postfix we using an header file like string. Let us start using namespace std. It is also one of the important header files or a method we use it for in the Visual Studio or C++. Next we have considered the conversions of prefix to postfix. We have used the character like array of size 5 equals bracket a plus comma a star comma b and c. These are all the inputs we have given to and conversions of prefix to and postfix. Let us we can consider the string operation 1 comma operation 2 comma operator and also and t1. Next we can consider initialize int value like int j equals to 0. Class stack, in that we can declare public int t, then c of 5, then we can consider the public. In under the public we can using an stack method. In stack we already know that stack is always in an LIFO operation. It means last in first out. Here that stack will be considered the top of the value like t equals to minus 1. Initialize t equals to minus 1. In stack there are three operations: push, pop and display. In push we can use it for inserting an element to the given stack. After inserting an element to the stack, then the value of the t should be an incremented. That is c of plus t equals element. After inserting we can close the brace. Next operation should be an pop. That pop should be always in the string type. Pop it is another method of stack. It is used for delete the element present in the stack. We calling the function like return pop, return c of. After we can inserting same element we can delete it from the stack. That is, then the value of t should be an decrement. After that content should be an insert or delete. We can display the element should be present in the given stack. That is, c out result is c of 0 with an end line. Close the brace. After we can calling the main function, that is should be an void main. Then stack should creating an one object like stack s1, and we can also declaring the string length strlen with an argument a. Conditions will be checked like for int I equals to n minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. After that we can declaring which should be conditions will be checking like if a of I is less than or equal to a, ampersand if a of I is less than or equal to z, then close the bracket. Here the a of I is greater than or equal to a or less than or equal to z. Open the brace. Then we can assign the value of t1 should equals to an a of I and s1 dot push calling with an argument t1, close the brace, else. If the condition should be an false, then it comes to an else part. Operation 1 equals s1 dot pop and operation 2 equals to s1 dot pop. Here we can declaring operator equals to a of I. Then the string s equals operation 1 plus operation 2 plus operator semicolon s1 dot push with an argument like s. Close the brace. After we can calling it with an argument, then should be display the content should be present in the slide. Debugging the function. The expecting output like result is ABC star plus. Let us start the debugging like in a void main, put one breakpoint, start with an debugging. In this way we can debug the program and lastly we get the expected output. Like this wise we can debugging the program in the stack. Thank you.